The UK Highway Code. Road signs. Maximum speed 40 miles per hour. Traffic queues likely ahead. Crossroads ahead. Junction on the bend ahead. Staggered junction ahead. Road narrows on the right side. Road narrows on the left side. Road narrows on both sides. Dual carriageway ends. Two-way traffic straight ahead. Two-way traffic crosses one-way road. Steep hill downwards ahead. Entrance to a 20 miles per hour speed limit zone. Vehicles exceeding height indicated are prohibited. Vehicles exceeding width indicated are prohibited. Vehicles carrying dangerous goods prohibited. No waiting except for loading and unloading. No stopping on main carriageway. National speed limit applies. 60 miles per hour on roads, 70 miles per hour on motorways and dual carriageways. You have priority over vehicles from the opposite direction. No through road for traffic. Hospital ahead with accident and emergency facilities. Roadworks. Cycle route ahead. Cattle likely to be in road ahead. Level crossing without barrier ahead. Level crossing with gate or barrier ahead. Tramcars crossing ahead. Junction with a minor side road ahead. Double bend ahead. Loose chippings. Steep hill upwards ahead. Tunnel ahead. Hump bridge ahead. Slippery road. Uneven road. Soft verges. Opening or swing bridge ahead. Quayside or riverbank. Traffic signals ahead. Side winds. Falling or fallen rocks. Low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise. Pedestrian crossing ahead. No right turn. No left turn. No U-turns. Give priority to vehicles from opposite direction. No entry. No cars permitted. No vehicles carrying explosives permitted. No overtaking. No vehicles except bicycles being pushed. No motorcycles permitted. No motor vehicles permitted. No caravans permitted. Turn left ahead. Turn right ahead. Turn left. Turn right. Vehicles may pass either side to reach same destination. Mini roundabout. One-way traffic.